lesson number 40, and we're going to do multi-step inequalities. And when you go down more, you can see that the worksheet has these type of symbols. And that just simply means, well, when they do this, they're trying to say that it is more than or equal to, okay? Greater than or equal to. If they did this, it's less than or equal to, okay? I'm assuming that they made like this because they don't have symbols for this under device, so just keep that in mind. You actually write these as this, okay? Don't write like that. Okay, multi-step. Okay, for these, all they want you to do is find x, okay? And for that, it's basically like any other equation. Just write like this. That's all they want you to do. But like it's easier to think of this as this. So at the end, be sure to write it like this. That's the right symbol. You're not actually changing this to an equal sign. You're just you're setting it that way so like it won't confuse you or anything. It's just like a little trick. 3 negative 3x by 3. So x. So negative 1 is less than x. So therefore x equals negative 1. It's 12x plus 2. 14 minus 2. 12x equals 12. So x equals 1, but it also is less than 1. So this is the answer, okay? Negative 5y, negative 10, negative 5 is greater than negative. No, y is greater than 2. I cannot do division today. Okay. 9y. 18 is greater than or equal to. So I just divide by 9. So 2 is greater than or equal to y. Negative 2x minus 1. So 9 is greater than or equal to. Add 1 to both sides. So you get 10. Divide that by 2. So you get negative 5 to x. Okay, negative 3 minus. That's so weird. Okay, 4x plus 6. That does not make any sense. Quality? It's so weird. That's so weird. Why do they have this here? Okay, just ignore that. You're not supposed to learn that right now. So negative 3 minus 4x minus 6. So negative 9 minus 4x minus 1 plus 9 times 4x is greater than negative 102. That looks wrong. And why? Mm. Oh god, that looks so wrong for some reason. Uh, maybe. Okay. Because this doesn't divide cleanly, so. Hmm. You would get x is greater than 25.5. But I don't think that's right because most of these have to get the answers cleanly. So I'm not sure what that is. Okay, 6 minus 24x minus 28 is greater than or equal to 122. Negative 22 minus 24x. Starting with that. We'll add 22. So negative 24x is greater than or equal to 100. Divide that by 24. Negative 24, not just 24. 100 divided by 24. That is negative. These don't get out cleanly, so I'm going to round these to the nearest hundreds. So that would be negative 4.17. Okay, we won't do these last four. Negative 138. And then we divide this by 36 on both sides. So you would get that 5 is greater than or equal to x. Okay, for this, you're trying to find both x and y. Okay. So one way you can do this is finding one variable first, and then using that to find the next variable. So for example, you can rearrange this to equal y is negative x plus 12, right? That's the same, this is the same thing as this, except we moved it around a bit. And with this, we can add in y, which is negative x plus 2, 12, which equals 20. And when you have this, where did this go? That's so weird. Okay. If you put in like this, you're adding this to here, okay? To here. That's the whole point. So 2x minus x plus 12 equals 20. So x equals 8. And then we have what x is, but we don't know what y is, right? So we're going to add it into this equation because that's the easiest one to put into. So 8 plus y equals 12. Subtract 8 on both sides. And you'll get y equals 4. So y equals 4 and x equals 8. So you found both x and y. Same thing for this, but we're not going to do this one because it's exactly the same concept. It's exact same format as number 1. Okay, for this, we can also rearrange this as y equals negative 3x plus 26. Okay? Then we can add it to this one. So x equals 10. Then we add it back. So that would be, let's add to this one again. Okay? That'll be 20 plus y equals 16. Okay. Well, we have to subtract 20. So y equals negative 4. So y equals negative x plus 14. So 2x plus negative x plus 14. That is a weird 14. Plus 14 equals 16. 2x minus x plus 14 equals 16. So x equals 2. And we add that to this one. Okay? So 2 plus y equals 14. That means y equals 12. Again, y equals negative 2x plus 30. So x minus negative 2x plus 30 equals 30. Equals 0. What am I doing? I was like, this isn't right. X plus 2x minus 30 equals 0. 3x minus 30, 0. You get 3x equals 30, so x equals 10. And then you'll do 10 minus y equals 0, so you would get negative y equals negative 10, which means y equals 10. Negative 2x plus 42. This is weird. X plus 2, negative 2x plus 42, 24, minus 4x. Minus 4x plus 84 equals 24. So it's trapped by 84. Cancel it out. Wait, this one would be negative 3x. So you would get negative 60. This isn't moving. That is weird. Come on, move. Negative 60. So you would, that is so off. Divided by negative 3. Right? So x equals 20. Add that back. So you'll get 20 plus 2y equals 24. So 2y equals 4. So y equals 2. Okay?